Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're replacing the lock cylinder in a 93 Tacoma Toyota truck. It's in a Tacoma yet. We looked up on YouTube on how to get this out because this was a pain in the ass. Got my friend here, Alan, help me out. We saw a video where they were actually drilling through here, right, Alan? You mind holding this? Showing us what they did. On the video we saw, they got a drill bit like what we have right here, and they drilled out where the key goes. And he said it took him a couple hours, and he drew a hole through the side of his lock cylinder back there. But me and Alan got to thinking, instead of doing that, we decided to drill out that pin right here. As you can see, here's the brand new one. See that pin right there? That pin, if your key won't turn into and unlock your steering column, that pin won't push in and your lock cylinder won't come out. So what we did, we drilled out that little thing right there. So y'all can see. Took us about 30-45 minutes, if that at most, because we were using power tools. If y'all have a drill, that will be way faster. But yeah, drill that out. There's a hole down here. You mind shining the light down here, Alan? There's a hole down here where that pin goes through. We drilled through there. Took us, like I said, it took us about 45 minutes. Got that sucker out. Thankfully, we put our heads together, and now we can actually put the new lock cylinder in. Here, Alan, here's the new keys. Put it in this so we can show them what we were talking about. You see, once you get the key in here, if you can turn it to the on position, no, the ACC position, you can actually get that sucker in, and that pin will actually move. No, let me see. Hold this.
There it is.
Got it? And as y'all can see,
I didn't push it in yet.
let's take this.
I didn't click it in yet.
Okay. So you see, if it's on, there's on lock. Right there. You see that lock? If you can't turn your key to the ACC, this pin won't move.
It has to be drilled out.
You will have to drill it out. But if you can turn your key onto the ACC right here to this little tab, then that pin will move in and out, and you can get that lock cylinder out. And if it can't, I would say drill it from down here like we did, and it'd be way faster and easier. Let's put this in now. Go ahead. As y'all can see, I have it on that position like I said, and this pin right here actually goes in and out now. You can push it in. Alright, go ahead, do the honor sound. Put that sucker back in there. Biggest problem that I had. After a little snowstorm in here,
yeah,
my truck wouldn't start no more. Right there. Push it straight in.
it clicked.
Clicked?
Not yet. No clicking yet. You sure you're supposed to have it on it?
Since we got it out the way like I told y'all, we drilled the bottom. There's this part right here, I don't know if y'all can see. That thing has to be turned, so we're gonna go get some long needle nose pliers and turn that. That way this thing can go in here and actually settle in there. So right now it's turning at an angle, and that's actually flat, so y'all can see. So once you get it out the way we said, we'll get some needle nose pliers and get it moving. Because if y'all can't turn the key, this is what's holding it in place right here. We drilled that out. That's what we drilled out. We figured out that might be easier for us, and it was. Now we're gonna see if it actually will work. Stay tuned, guys. You see that we got a long needle nose pliers. We turned it. Now we can get that new ignition switch on there. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for more. Now we can actually put this sucker in there. Here you go, Alan. For my camera, guys. Other way. There you go. Let's put it on the ACC. Got it? There we go.
Good.
Now we got power. Crank it.
And it's locked in.
She lives.
Lives Tell another day.
Stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching.